Migration and urbanization. What is migration? The movement of people from one place to another for different purpose is known as migration. Migration can be temporary or permanent. Modes of migration. 1. National migration. Next, international migration. What is national migration? It means migration takes place within a country. International migration means the migration that takes place between two countries. Types of migration. Rural to urban, urban to rural, urban to urban, rural to rural. Now, causes of migration. Number 1, employment. Number 2, marriage. Number 3, education. Number 4, lack of security. Now, let's study in detail. Employment. People migrate in large numbers from rural areas to urban areas in search of employment and opportunities. Urban areas offer employment in various sectors that include trade, commerce, transport services, industries, etc. Next, marriage. It is a social factor of migration. Especially, the girls have to migrate to their in-laws' house after marriage. Education. Urban areas are flooded with a variety of educational institutes. To get higher education, people move towards the cities. Many of them settle down in the cities for earning a livelihood. Lack of security. Inter-ethnic conflicts and political disturbances push rural people to urban areas. In cities, they feel safe and secure under proper law and order. Now, what are the consequences of migration? People migrate from one area to another for economic gains and benefits. Migration is responsible for the unbalanced demographic distribution of population. It also affects the age and sex composition of population of both the areas. Migration also enhances unity in diversity. Migrants are the good agents of social change as they bring new ideas, customs, and cultures of their native areas. Now, brain drain. What is this brain drain? When the highly skilled and well-educated people leave their own country to work in a foreign country, it is called brain drain. Brain drain has become one of the serious concerns for developing countries. And these countries lose their most educated and talented workers. These workers contribute their expertise for the economic development of other countries. And the country left by them can suffer serious economic hardships. Urbanization. Urbanization is a process to become urban or moving to the cities. In this process, the population shifts from rural to urban areas. It shows the gradual increase in the proportion of people living in urban areas. Urbanization is closely related to the industrialization. Urban areas are usually thought to be centers of business, commerce, industries, etc. Thank you, students.